We didn't do yesterday's Yom because there was a power shortage and all sorts of excuses I've got. And also, I did Mipson yesterday. I went to a bunch of offices to light the candles for these people in these offices. And then after that, I went in the nighttime. I went to the army, so I was busy, really pretty busy. So I didn't. Okay, so here we have yesterday. Yesterday's Yom. Here we go. Okay, if you remember, we said that on Wednesday we couldn't start thinking about Shabbat already, because Shabbat gives a blessing to the 3 days before it and the 3 days after it. So it says like this. On Wednesday, we start thinking, what do we have for Shabbat? There's a concern in the literal sense, you want to have food for Shabbat, but also spiritual. And Shabbat means that you appreciate God. Every person is different on Shabbat. Let's see. And on a weekday. So we come a little bit sort of, how do you say, sad. Am I ready for the holiness of Shabbat? Have I done anything unusual? What's the solution? Come and be happy. Have trust in God. Comes Thursday, it's closer to Shabbat, and we still don't feel any really different. I don't really feel that I'm really happy and coming close to Shabbat. So therefore, on Thursday night, you're supposed to learn Chassidut. When you learn Chassidut for Thursday night, this is talking about working man. So that by Friday, we sense a little bit of depth and that God is great and he's a great king. And with this, you can come to Shabbat. And the Shabbat. Okay, next. My father would light the lights of Chanuka between Mincha and Ma'ariv. He was not particular whether the doorway was south, north, east, west, where the door was in the house, which direction. We sing the song, Hanei Road. We say this after we light the candles. So you make the blessing first, then you light the candles, and then you sing the song, Hanei Road, Salalu, Anurachim. In Chabad, we have a beautiful song that was made. It says in the days of the Rebbe Marash, the Hasidim sang this long song because they wanted the Rebbe to delay with them. They wanted the Rebbe. He would say these. He was sitting near the lights for half an hour, except for Fridays, when you can't sit that long because on other days, if the Chanukah light goes out, you can relight it. But on Friday, you can't. It comes on Shabbat, right? And Shabbat it comes in, so you can't light. He took care that the lights should burn for 15 minutes. So you have to put enough fuel into the lights that they light for at least 15 minutes. But you sit by the candles and you watch them for half an hour. Okay, you're supposed to light the Hanukkah candles before you light Shabbos candles. Before you light Shabbos candles, you light because after you light Shabbos candles, technically you're not supposed to light the Hanukkah candles. You're not supposed to. But if you're the man of the house and your wife already lit and you come late and still enough time to light candles so you can light after light. But the custom is first of all you pray mincha and then you light the Hanukkah lights and then Shabbat candles. You can pray mincha afterwards if you want to, but this is the advised order of things. Okay, now let's have a story. We didn't have a story yesterday.